Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another read for you Pisces, and let's see how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect now. These are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And if you're new here Pisces, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side you're on, right? And which side your partner's on. But for me, for the duration of the reading, I will be calling them person A and person B. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and action cards as to what action person A will take and what action person B will take now. But underlying energy of this reading is the Emperor in reverse, Pisces. Somebody is trying to be a bit of a dictator here, trying to be in control, not in a very good way, right? This is like a person who says my way or the highway. Or maybe this is somebody who's feeling a bit out of control now. Let's see the cards. Person A, Page of Swords in reverse and the High Priestess. Okay, Two of Cups, 2 of Pentacles, Temperance, and the Ace of Swords. And for the person B, I have the 6 of Swords, the Death card, 4 of Wands, the Devil, 9 of Swords, and the 9 of Cups. So yes, so that the story is simple. For person A, I think how they're feeling is that they're feeling I was dealing with a very immature person. Somebody who just created more trouble in my life than anything else. I think person A has become a little more in tune with their spiritual side now. They've also kind of shut down from person B. They're not talking, there's no communication from person A's end at all, maybe not from either of you right now. So there's a lot of silence going on as well. But where person B is concerned, yes, they do realize that things have taken a really wrong direction here. There's a lot of conflict between the two of you, and instead of going towards peace and harmony with their person, they've kind of, they feel it's ended before it began, I think. Maybe they were trying to be a bit of a dictator. They're trying to keep this connection under control and ended up doing something which broke off a beautiful soulmate connection. Maybe they just, okay, we'll talk about all that later. I have to, I can see it all here on the cards. But before I start clarifying these cards, Pisces, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So, Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Pisces and their person, if they could say something to each other. All right. And I'm going to take a few more from here. True Confessions, Pisces and their person, Pisces and their person. All right. Good to go, Pisces. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours anymore though. Yes, I think this is person A saying that. They've kind of shut down here and they're saying, hey, this person is immature, maybe still trying to create trouble, maybe still checking up on me, but I really don't care anymore. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. This is, I think, person B. Now they're realizing they've lost a beautiful connection. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do, because now they want person A and they have never said it, and that false pride, this false feeling of, I'm the boss, They've always been in that, and now they'll have to actually bend down maybe and come towards person A and say, hey, listen, actually I do want you. Now that's very hard for an Emperor in reverse to do, because Emperor in reverse is somebody who has false, pride. They like to be the dictator. It's like, I will tell you when things will happen, and this is the way I like things, and it's my way or the highway. So somebody is saying here, now having to tell you, that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you a hard time. Pisces, didn't I just say that? This Emperor has a need to always be, I'm the boss. I'm always right. You have to listen to the way I will decide how things will go. So that's what now this card is saying as well. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you a hard time. I love the way, these cards intermix and gives such a clear story. I just have other responsibilities to take care of. I have a really hard time opening up my emotions to anyone. See? This is a person who always pretended to have a heart of steel. I don't think I can handle this anymore. I think this is person A. I can't handle this anymore. I need somebody who's loving, emotional, will be by my side, and not a big daddy who's always going to give me orders. So I think it's better that I give up and heal myself. So Pisces, if this is kind of resonating with your story, let's start clarifying these cards. Let's see what action you guys will take. But before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Peaceful and emotions. 2 cards came out together. Normally I only take one, but I guess they are interconnected because I think somebody's been going through a lot of turbulent emotions in this connection. It's time now, I think, to find some peace and harmony first within yourself. And my angels are promising you that peace will be restored. But right now, somebody is going through some heavy emotions. I do see person A healing a little bit now. But person B now, I think, is the one who's now going through the dark night of the soul. This person is very, very stressed out now. Can't sleep at night, having a lot of regret for the way they've behaved. Of course, we'll come into all that later. But yes, I think one person is now finding their peace and harmony here, person A, after being through all this. But it's now, I think, person B's turn now to feel how it feels when you wrong another. Okay, so Pisces, let's start clarifying these cards. I'm going to start with the energies of person A and person A only, okay? Forget about person B. This could be you, that side could be you, I have no clue. I'm reading the energies of one person. Page of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why do they feel this energy? Page of Swords in reverse. Yes, they feel I was dealing with a very immature person who created too much trouble in my life. Whenever it was time for them to make a decision, they ran away, they snuck away, they cheated, they lied, they didn't face having to make any kind of decision. So this is immature behavior. That's what person is feeling now about their person. High Priestess, High Priestess, High Priestess. Person A is feeling that, hey, if there's never going to be any balance in this connection, if I'm always going to feel like the loser, then if my person has been not showing me emotions till now, being emotionally manipulative and never, showing me their hand, I'm going to close off as well, and I'm not going to talk or make any move towards them either, because they feel their person has done that all this while. They feel they've been emotionally manipulated. Yes, person is kind of lost hope now. They want to get unstuck from a place where they feel that they'll never have any victory. It's never going to come into balance. They feel the person is always going to stay in this emperor in reverse energy and never show any emotion towards them. So then what's the point of having any passion or even expecting any, passionate new beginning with them? I might as well get unstuck and keep myself to myself now. So why does person A feel like that, Spirit? What happened in the recent past for person A to have made such a strong decision? Two of Cups in reverse. Somebody didn't honor this beautiful connection. Somebody didn't value this beautiful soulmate connection, which was probably a gift from God. This could have felt like a soulmate connection, but it's reversed now. Why? Because this Queen of Cups got very emotionally overwhelmed. They were the only ones giving. They gave and they gave and they gave, and they got emotionally drained out in the end. And they felt that this is maybe a false soulmate. This is not the one for me. If this was the one for me, why would they juggle me? Why would they always keep me up in the air? Why would they never ever balance this connection out? Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Same card again, Page of Swords in reverse. Yes, they felt this was a unequal relationship. Person A feels that you guys were not on the same level. They feel they were dealing with an immature energy, and an Empress to a Page of Swords is totally imbalanced. This is like 1 to 100, right? So this Empress always felt that she had to lower herself, get knocked off her pedestal to match this immature energy. They never felt, that they could grow, have abundance, have happiness in their life as an Empress should be feeling. They always felt that they had to kind of lower their standards to come to the level of this person who they feel was very immature, very a troublemaker, never stepping up to their level to be an emperor. In fact, they had to come down from their empresshood to match them, to have anything with them. So, and that's the reason I think person A finally got drained of giving, of lowering their own standards, I think, and they realized this is not an equal soulmate connection. This is not an equal partnership. This is not a balanced relationship. And that's the reason I think person A is saying that if person B is always going to be emotionally manipulative, if they're never going to balance this out, if they're always going to knock me off my pedestal, make me feel like a loser, then it's better that I kind of close off my energy. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Person A is healing right now. Temperance. They're into a lot of healing for themselves. They feel their partner never gave them any clarity as to what this connection was. They feel there was a lot of lies in this relationship. Their person never really gave them the truth about how they feel. They always hid their emotions. And person A is almost at the verge of saying, hey, if this is the end, I'm okay with it. Let's just put it to a close. I'm not going to deal with somebody who's never going to give me any honesty or any clarity. Ace of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Swords in reverse. Ace of Swords in reverse. Yes, I don't think person A trusts person B anymore. They've lost their passion, they've lost their trust, they've lost their mojo, in this connection, and they feel like, if I don't have trust, if I can't have any honesty in this connection, then I think I'm going to guard my energy now. I'm battered, I'm bruised, I have that one wand left, and I want to now use it to guard myself. I have to first heal and balance myself. And Pisces, before I go on to the other side, just a little the thing I wanted to say before any of you kind of put in any more comments about this person being in your reading. I have put out, I think, no, I haven't. I'm going to be putting out a single Pisces. So wait for that. I've already put out 6 sun signs, 6 zodiac signs this Sunday. In a couple of days, I'll put out the other 6. I think you'll be in the next lot. So you can wait for that new love reading for singles. This is what it is. This is for people who still want to know what's going on, with their current partner or whoever this person is. So now let's go on to the other side. Person B. Person B has the 6 of Swords in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? And surprisingly, you both have the Death card. Person B is ending with the Death card to say, hey, no more. And person B feels they've done something really foolish. They've done something wrong here. This connection has gone a totally different direction. And maybe, no, they want to return. They want a transformation. They don't want this to end. They don't want an ending. In fact, they want a transformation. They know it's already gone a different direction, but they're hoping for a return here. What's this transformation that they want, Spirit? What's this? Now they want to come with the same thing that person A has been wanting. That Sword of Truth. This is what person A has been saying. If I can't trust them, if there's no clarity, I don't want them. Now person A is feeling, oh my God, this connection has taken a totally wrong turn here. I want now this to transform. I want to return. I want my person to return. They've been very unhappy without person A, almost to a level of depression. They don't want to lose person A. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? 4 of Wands. I think heart of hearts, this person always knew. This person always knew that person A was their person. 4 of Wands is a card of soulmates, of, we'll be together forever kind of a thing, past life soulmates. This is the one for me. They always knew it. Heart of hearts, I think they were holding on to that dream as well. I think maybe there was something else here with the Devil. Maybe they were afraid. Oh my God. They were holding back their love. Person B had a lot of love in their heart. They absolutely knew that person A is the one for them. But they never showed it because they were holding back for some strange reason. Because of this Devil energy, this could be their own ego, that could be their pride, it could be their greed to maybe see what if grass was greener anywhere else. Let's see what this is. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, with the person B? What's this Devil energy? What's this Devil energy? There was a Tower moment because you guys stopped communicating. They felt that person A doesn't. I think after this Tower moment, when communication ended, they felt that person A was no longer wanting to put in any more work into this connection and no longer fight for them. Maybe they enjoyed the chase. Second time, my God. Second time. 4 of Wands. This person knew it all along. Maybe they were waiting for person A to keep chasing them because it made them feel good. That was the toxicity that they were sitting in. They wanted to feel like the boss. They wanted to feel victorious. They wanted to feel, I'm not going to make a decision, you fight for this connection, which kind of, I think, backfired on them because person A just kind of stopped talking to them, stopped fighting for this connection altogether. And right now, and that's the reason this connection took a opposite turn. They were hoping for it to go one way. Heart of hearts, they knew this is my love, this is my soulmate, and but their own devilish behavior of wanting to seem like the emperor or be the one in power, to have control of this connection. They played some silly game. expecting person A to chase them, but that never happened. And now, how does person B view this connection, Spirit? Now person B is very, very stressed out. They can't sleep at night. Why is that, Spirit? Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. Oh my God. Because they know that this was a person to have my Ten of Cups with. Person B knew all along. Now they're stressed out. They can't sleep at night. They're worrying. Where's my soulmate? This was the one for me. Now they're regretting big time about their own behavior, I think. What did I do? I let them go. I spilt all these cups. One more, Spirit, Five of Cups. How do they feel now about this connection? Why do they feel like the Five of Cups? This person desperately wants they've already chosen. They've already made up their mind. They've chosen. They are feeling very overwhelmed right now because they think it's over. But heart of hearts, person A is still wishing for a rebirth of this connection. The regret is that, oh my God, I've ended it. They're feeling really awful about the fact, very burdened by the fact that they betrayed their partner, or this connection has come to an end. But heart of hearts, this person stresses out, can't sleep at night. They know who their choice is, who their person is. It's this one who I'm supposed to be, with forever. And they want a re-beginning, but this is the state they're in right now. All right, so person A, will you be taking any action towards person B now? Five of Wands. Why is Five of Wands an action, Spirit? Why is Five of Wands an action? Person A is telling me that person B is too immature. Whenever we are together, they always end up creating some kind of conflict with me. And no, I'm kind of chilling here. I'm healing myself. I'm in my own zone. I'm healing myself. Two cards of healing side by side to clarify the Five of Wands. So person A feels that going towards person B always has created too much competition, too much conflict, too much fighting. And here I am, I'm healing myself and moving towards my own wish fulfillment. I haven't gone anywhere yet. I'm still healing, but I don't think it's any worth right now going towards person B. So person B, it's up to you. Will you be taking any action? Magician in reverse. My God, this person doesn't change. Why is Magician in reverse an action, Spirit? They're not sure whether they're going to be allowed a brand new beginning. It seems they do want to take action. But the problem here, Pisces, is person B likes to be seen as somebody. They like to be seen as the wow person, the person who dresses well, who earns well, who is respected, who has the world in the palm of their hand. And right now they're feeling quite foolish about their behavior, but they don't want to be seen as that. So they are going to try some other way. Magician in reverse. Yes, they do want to return, but there's some delay going on because, why, Spirit? One more. Magician in reverse. No. This person is stuck. I'm sorry, Pisces. I think move on. Person A, move on to new love. If somebody is there, this person is still in that same energy of being the Emperor in reverse, Magician in reverse, wanting to be pursued. They want to be looked at as somebody. Not that they're happy, they're very, very unhappy. They want to come out of this stressful place, but they want their partner to return back to them. They want somebody else to return back to them, because but they're a little scared because of all this delay that's going on. They may not get another chance. They're losing hope as well. But person B still is trying to be a bit controlling. I'm sorry. At least this week I don't see them coming forward to take action. They're still trying to be the one who is the chased, not the chaser. Okay? And I don't think person A is in any mood to chase anymore. Person A is healing, finding their own peace and happiness. Let them deal with their whatever they're going through. I don't want to talk about it. We'll see next time now what happens. Let them learn their lesson for a little while. Love and light. Take care. Till next time then. Namaste.